Hey guys, I'm Rich. Let's go through my top 5 things to watch for the week ahead in markets. Number 1. US inflation data. Since reaching its highest since 2002, the dollar index has been trading under pressure, causing speculation in some quarters that it might have finally topped. The effect of the US CPI report for September on the dollar will therefore be closely watched by markets this week. Extra attention will be paid to the core CPI on an annual basis because it's still predicted to rise. If this occurs, the correction in the dollar index is expected to come to an end and the uptrend will continue. Number 2. Earnings from the financial and banking sector. Despite the generally negative sentiment in US stock markets, long-term investors may be deciding whether now is the right time to buy stocks at discounted prices. Particularly as the end of monetary tightening possibly approaches, earnings will play a big part of this decision. This week we'll see earnings reports from several significant businesses, particularly in the banking and finance industries, including JP Morgan, Wells Fargo, Morgan Stanley, Citigroup, and a few more. Number 3. US retail sales. US retail and core retail sales figures will be made available to the public on Friday. So far, the consumption has held up relatively well in the face of decades-high inflation, but many economists expect this cannot continue. Retail sales are expected to slow down a little bit in September with 0.2% monthly growth, which is less than August. Core retail sales, on the other hand, are anticipated to improve slightly after declining by 0.3% the previous month. Number 4. Markets pricing in the end of tightening. If you're wondering why major FX pairs and global stock indices are now well off their lows, the answer is likely that markets are pricing in the conclusion of the current round of global monetary tightening. After the Reserve Bank of Australia raised rates by less than expected and the Bank of England intervened in the markets, many expect the Federal Reserve could be next. Watch that closely. Number 5. Gold and silver recovery. Metals have also been rising along with key indices due to forecasts that the time of global tightening is almost over. Gold and silver prices have been trying to locate a bottom for a while. Looking at silver on the daily chart, a higher swing high has formed, suggesting a medium-term bottom may have already been formed. If this movement is replicated on gold this week, it may serve as an early sign of a trend change for precious metals. As always, you can click on the link in the description below to see the full economic calendar with the previous month's data and consensus expectation for this time. But for now, thanks everybody for watching. Good luck trading this week, and remember to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss more content like this when it's released.